Today's video is going to be very important because I'm going to share with you how you can find potential clients on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing how you can find potential drop servicing clients on Facebook. The steps that I'm going to show you are the exact steps that I use to find my target audience. So today's marketing strategy for drop servicing is going to be a direct marketing. The first part will be for today's video, which is how to find potential clients on Facebook. The second part, which will be on my next video, the topic will be how to approach potential clients on Facebook. So make sure that you watch today's video and the next one for the full training. About a week ago, I received a question on my Drop Servicing Mastery Telegram channel. One of my followers asked me to make a video on how to approach property agents for video editing. So to answer that question, you need to follow through these two trainings, which is the part 1 and the part 2. So the part 1, you need to find your potential client first. So for demonstration purposes, I will be using property agents as my target audience. If you have other target audience, you can use the same method as what I'm going to demonstrate today. So right now, let's go to the computer and I will demonstrate to you how to find potential drop servicing client on Facebook. On your Facebook search bar, type the target market that you want to search. So for me I want to search for property agents as my target audience. So on the result page, you can see that you have a lot of groups, sponsored ads, and even pages. So what we want to find here is just the groups. So here you can select groups, and here you can see that there are a lot of property agent groups that you can explore. So my rule of thumb is to have at least 1,000 members in the group. So these few are very good ones. The first 3 are very good because it's 1,002 members, 2,004 members, and 8,003 members. And if you have a specific location that you want to target, you can also select by the different type of city. So for here, you can also select Singapore. So for this demonstration purpose, I'm going to keep it as it is because you can actually target not just local market, you can actually target beyond your local community. So for here, we can see that you have 1,002 members and these are 2,004 members, these 8,300 members. So this probably we'll just try this one, SG Agents Network Group. And from here, you can see there are a lot of property agents posting their listings on this group. On a daily basis, you can see a lot of posts. So what you want to do here is to find agents that you feel you can connect with. So let us go back to the first one. So the first one, you can take a look on their profile and also on their listing. So because we are promoting video editing services and video services, so I want to see if the agent is using any videos to feature their property listings. So if it's not, then I have a chance to actually promote my services. Now, this is how I filter out and how I select my property agents to add into my network. So as I see, all of the listings on the Facebook Marketplace are all mostly just photos. Yeah, if you feel that the profile fits what you are looking for and fits your target market, then you can add them as friend. So you can just add them as friend. So on my next video, I will show you how you can approach them, how you can approach these potential clients. So go through the whole list. You can slowly add friends, but please do note that you cannot add on too many friends at one go, especially on one single day, because Facebook will feel that you are actually spamming, Facebook do not encourage that. So go ahead and find suitable target audience. So you can see, and this is another one. So you can see from the profile, you can see that they do not have any videos for their listings. And so go ahead and join as many groups as possible. You can join many groups which is related to property agents, and most of them are actually a public group, so you can just join the groups. From the group, you can see that there are many agents inside there. The more you get to know about them, the better. In this way, you can easily strike a conversation with them. So for example, after looking at their profile, you can see that they actually have other social media as well as website. So you can see their website, if let's say if they are using any videos for their property listings. So for example, this property agent here, she have her own website, and you can just take a look on her listing. What are the listing that they have and what kind of media that they use. After you have found these property agents, you can then add them as your friend. Add as many as you like, and after that invite them to like your page. Before you invite them to like your page, there's one thing that is very important for you to do, which is to optimize your profile as well as optimize your page. Make sure the About You section on your profile, you have the information about what you are doing. So for job servicing purpose, you need to optimize your profile and let your audience know that you are in this business. As you are actively adding these property agents as your new friend, it will create curiosity amongst these property agents. Once they are curious, they will go into your profile and view who is this person, and they will be interested to find out more about you. So it is very important to optimize your profile. And the next one is to optimize your page. Make sure that you have a brand ready and your page has a lot of information about your services. The final steps is super important, because after you have accumulated so many property agents as your new followers, then it is time to drip valuable content on a regular basis. This is what I call it content marketing. The steps that I have shown you today not just will help you to get your potential clients, it will also help to grow your followers for your job servicing page. Do this regularly and you can see your page grow tremendously, and more people know about your service. Now you know how to find potential job servicing clients on Facebook. The next thing you need to learn is how to approach these job servicing potential clients on Facebook and turn them into your paying clients. Make sure that you stay tuned to my next video, whereby I will teach you how to approach these potential clients on Facebook. I will see you on my part 2 of this video. Bye bye!